In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to block someone on TikTok easily. Open the TikTok app on your device, navigate to the profile of the user you want to block. You can do this by searching for the username or tapping on the profile picture, wherever you see it on the app. Once you are on the profile, look for the share button. It usually locates towards the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. In the options that appear, you should see that block option. Tap on it to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to block the user. Tap on block again to confirm. Once you confirm, the user will be blocked and you want to be able to see their content or interact with them on TikTok. That is it. You have successfully blocked the user on TikTok. Remember, blocking someone is a serious action, so make sure you really want to block them before confirming. In this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.